Today is a gloriously sunny spring day here in Sweden, so I thought it's a good time to go and see how Daniel is getting on with the Spider. So I've actually spoke to Daniel already today. I've spoke to him several times actually this past week. I've kept meaning to go and see him and I haven't because I'm rubbish and lazy. But today, no excuses, I'm off to look at the car. He has said that he hasn't really made much progress yet. Shut the garage door. There we go. He has said he's not made much progress yet, but he at least knows how he's going to tackle the project. So that's interesting. So we'll go and see the car anyway and see Daniel and yeah, just see what his plan is. And that's about it really.
I have some bonding and something to do there. And
it's a big project.
Yeah, it's a big project. But I have done the welding
Wow.
done.
Yeah.
So now it's then I'm gonna do this and this.
Yeah.
At the same time.
Very different size.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
So now you see I took the glasses out yesterday. This was no problem.
Ah, wow.
This was a bigger problem.
Wow.
You see?
Yeah, because this one was the plastic one, wasn't
Yes.
it? Yeah.
I used this one 3 times before the glass
wow.
breaks. I just. So it,
Thor's hammer.
Oh yeah. Favorite.
Yeah.
Favorite too.
I've got one of those as well. It's brilliant. Yeah. Wow.
I said it will be difficult to get these pieces out.
Yeah.
I was going to vacuum this, but I was out of
Yeah.
bags. So
I'm still waiting for these.
yeah, they haven't come yet.
No.
But as I told you, we don't have to put this on.
No.
We do that when you're ready.
Yeah.
And we do the bounding. This is
So it's like
tape.
Yeah.
Double left.
Wow.
Double side tape first, and then it's
Wow.
tightened up. So
Amazing.
I'm going to take this off.
Oh, you're going to take the front? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I watched. It's 2 bolts. And
Yeah.
it's the cable to the lights.
Yep.
So then I can paint this one, the doors, and the lid.
Yeah.
In one round.
Yeah. That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'm taking the body car, the body. And maybe I'll start with the body.
Yeah.
Because I have to put white ground on everything.
Yes. Yeah.
Primer.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, there's the lid over there. Yeah.
I took this one because it wasn't. It was easy.
Yes. Okay.
Some places and I've had.
It's a bit tough, but
yes, but
yeah.
some contact limb here. And
Yes, and it's okay.
Put it back later.
Awesome.
So.
Epilogue.
So there we go. That's the progress we've got so far on the Spider. Looking a bit sorry for itself, but I think Daniel's hoping that in the next week, something like that, maybe if I go and see him next weekend, hopefully in the next week there's going to be some progress, and his plan is to take the front clam off, and obviously the engine lid is removable anyway and the doors are already off, so he's going to paint with the new colour the main panels first, I think, is his current plan, and then do the secondary colour, which is going to stay gunmetal. So maybe we'll have an update next week, see if he's made any progress by then. If not, it doesn't matter because I'm not in a mad rush. But exciting times, I think. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this pans out. But yeah, time to go and get some food once again.